Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix file too large or big for Notepad or Notepad++ to open. So guys, you are facing this issue, so open any web browser, minimize, then copy and paste Notepad++ or Notepad, then press enter. So now you can access easily your text in perfect size. Just follow some easy steps. Open any web browser and copy or paste or drag and drop your notepad file, then press enter. That's it. So thanks, and please share, like and subscribe my channel for more useful videos, and please comment this method useful for you or not.